Bing. It's Ate here, Ate Leah. Ading, you've been struggling and in pain for so many years, fighting with your sickness. But now it's time for you to rest. You're now in the hand of Almighty Father, and I hope and pray for you that you're happy there. I know you're happy because there's no more pain for you. I'm sorry I'm not there. But you know, Ate is always remember you. You're always in my heart. Guide us wherever you are. And be happy. Just enjoy. No more pain. Don't worry about us. We're all good. And we love you. We'll always remember you. Okay? Rest in peace, Nading. Bye. Bye for now. But soon, we're gonna meet each other again. Okay? I love you.
Dear Bing, I will miss you forever, my friend. Di kanto malipatan. Nagkaklase ta from elementary to high school. Ngimhaan pa'y kasjay ti closeness ta. Taadda kanya-kanyang circle of friends ta idi. Nag-start ta lang iti college. Agka-schoolmate ta idi JFEU. Datayo kenilakay mo. Ngahaan met nga naisabsabalik kanyak ta isuket kabagyak. Manipod idi, nagkasar kayo, naganak ka ken Kyle, adanak abay mo. Ket pagab-abroad ko, agawid nak, sikat umuna nga imit ko, da kayo nga agasawa. Haan ko malipatan, di pagsublik abroad idi, pinabalunan nak iti Royal Bibingka. Nagapupay Sanchez Mira, wenno Ballesteros. Haan ko malipatan, no adanak Pinas, ayaban nak tag luto-luto ka. Dumagas na kan kanayon, di barma situge. Di pestum, inta mangal daw, inta biit agmol. Han ko malipatan, panagkadgadwata kanayon, basta adanak dita kagayan. Di kanto malipatan. Kinaimbag mo kinyak. Kinaimbag nila kayo buti pamilya na akin pamilyayo. Ginanakan gayam ko. Till we meet again. I love you.
Good morning sa inyong lahat. First of all, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng friends, colleagues, and relatives na tumulong sa amin during the sufferings ni Bing. May nag-message sa akin one time after kung shinare yung post ni Kent, asking, dalawa ba ang sister mo? Di ba isa lang? Sabi ko, dalawa ang sister ko. Because si Bing, hindi ko kinonsidered na sister-in-law, but more on sister. Napakabait niya. And kaya walang not even a millimeter of regret sa pagtulong sa kanya. Hindi ko naramdaman. In fact, nung na-diagnose siya ng ALS, and nag-usap kami nung doktor niya, and I asked kung anong pwede pang gawin, because I know na walang cure ang ALS. Nabanggit ng doktor niya na merong isa, pero napaka-expensive and hindi ganun ka-prove pa yung kanyang effect, yung edarabon nga. So, sabi very expensive yun. So, sabi niya pwede mo namang hindi ibigay. So, yung time na yun, pwede ko naman i-keep about that yung edarabon na yon, pero hindi ko siya matiis. So we still tried for that medicine. Yung life and death ni Bing is story ng love, sacrifice, pain, suffering, and triumph. Love kasi aside doon sa unconditional love na nakikita natin towards sa mga anak niya, sa apo niya, nakikita ko yung love nila ni Elden. First love, sila ang kinasal, everything, they stick together. Mapapabilib ka talaga doon sa love story na despite kahit na may nag-aaway sila, at the end parehas pa rin sila, nandun pa rin silang dalawa. Sufferings, pain and sufferings, yung ALS talagang ang dami niyang binigay na sakit kay Bing. Na-damage yung kanyang nervous system, unti-unting nawawala yung muscular system niya. Lahat, everything, gustong kunin ni ALS sa kanya. Pero one thing na hindi niya makuha is yung faith at saka yung smile ni Bing. Si Bing kahit nung even during the end of her days, talagang nag-i-smile pa rin siya. Kahit ano, yung smile niya talagang makikita mo, napakalakas ang kanyang fighting spirit. Kaya in the end, si Bing pa rin ang nagwagi. And kaya Bing, we are going to miss you. We love you so much, Bing.